Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Automobili. Today we're going to be working on a very special vehicle, so buckle up. I'm about to show you some cool stuff. Welcome to Imperial TV.
What is that?
I forgot to tell you, surprise, my new Lamborghini. Jump sideways. We're gonna go ahead and get the Porsche and we're gonna go get it aligned before I deliver it. Did I show you this new project? So this is a $117,000 job so far, without any supplements, just the first initial estimate. It's a good job. You gotta start on it. The only thing is just hard to find parts. Why? Due to COVID, now it's everybody gotta be in line to get parts. This car might sit here for 6 months, but do you see why it costs a lot? It's because 100,000 and it just get over the time of 6 months, a year, or something like that. The black Huracan that was here for almost a year and a half, finally it was gone. This one right here, it's been here for almost 2 months. We're still waiting for parts. Bodywork is done, paint is done, it's just waiting for parts. Can't do anything without parts. So this takes basically a space being here at the shop, which means it's a loss. For every vehicle that's not been touched, that means I'm not making money. If it's getting touched, that means I'm making money. This is gonna be occupying the lift. That means it's costing me money. Why? Because the shop utility usage, this lift could be making me more money if it's occupied with another vehicle that we're working on. This one should be delivered today. That one should be ready to go to bodywork and paint today. What else? And then there's another one, another project, cool project we did. Let me show you. We basically cut out whatever the smash that was here. The quarter panel was completely like wrinkled up, like completely like crumped up. Cut it out, got out the donor. Cut it where exactly factory wheels are, spot wheels, everything like that. Put it back on there, tied it up, make sure gaps are perfect. Everything opens and closes perfectly. Gaps are like factory, perfect. That's a good job. The car is probably worth about 15 grand. Total estimate on that one is about 10 grand. Takes about a week to do. It's not bad. Let me find the guys. So, ching ching. Okay, let's go take this car over to auto styling. Let's get the keys also as well. I want to look inside one of my cars and make sure that batteries are full, everything like started. We have to start the cars, maintain, you know, battery are charged, and you gotta run them because they wear out just by sitting. So let's go to the candy shop. So this project right here, we're removing the engine, we're removing the transmission, and then we're gonna do an LS swap on this one. We already got everything ready and set up. We got the oil feed line, we got the brake booster thing, we got some brackets, engine mounts, gaskets, exhaust gaskets, headers. We already got the LS motor and the transmission for it, the oil pan, and something with the steering that we have also as well. So I'm just trying to find time to actually do it. And once we do that, then we'll have like a nice project vehicle. That car will be smoking tires, eating tires. I think we're gonna do it in MSR. Maybe we'll take it to Hennessy too. The Rockstar! Yeah, sounds good. Wait till we put the LS swap in that one. Maybe a bullet. You realize I'm going black? Everywhere black. Black, 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 black. Once you go black, you'll always be back. So this is my drifter car. I think the engine started knocking right when my last show, or my last, what do you call it? Actions. So you're gonna hear it. The more I drive it, the more you hear it. See, I didn't want to blow up the whole motor completely, so that way I can maybe sell the motor, transmission, and the turbo kit that's in the car for like maybe 5-6 grand, which is just what it's worth. And whoever is gonna buy it maybe can fix it and put it on his own for us or Beer Zero, a drifter vehicle, whatever he likes. Because I don't need that. We're getting a big old V8. We're gonna put it in. And we're gonna be super happy. Oh shit, I think we blew the motor. Relax, tranquilo, motores, pero tranquilo, tranquilo, papi, tranquilo, tranquilo, puta madre. A la verga, güey, come on, let's go.
Happy birthday to you.
Bitch.
Come on, bitch.
Aye. You can do it.
Yeah. Almost there.
Come on, hurry up. Now we're talking. You need to mark the damage on this Audi first, and then we can work on a Tramontana after. Why do I mark it?
Yeah.
Because I want to show the insurance that, hey, these are the fucking areas. So apparently, when you don't mark it, if the body shop does not mark it, and let's say the adjuster doesn't want to pay for it, and then a customer complains like, how come my shit is not fixed? Like, oh well, the body shop never mentioned it to me, or they never marked it for me. Well, bitch, here, my orange marker is on the part. It needs to be taken care of. It's money marks. I make money moves. All right. Like lemonade. I went to the moon and back. So nice. Where's John Connor? So there's a few things that we want to do here on this car. Due to a lot of rock chips, so you can see there's a lot of blasted areas. So for example, the grill, this area right here we need to take care of. The spoiler, I think there's a big old chip that hit the spoiler. and kind of like ate the paint away. Or like messed up the paint on this one. Originally this vehicle is all in gold, like it was gold plated completely, like you name any part on this car is gold plated. And then they painted it satin black on top of the gold, which is cool. And how you can tell, let me show you. If you look at the line right here, if silver was laid over the paint, then you'll feel the silver edge, but here you can feel the paint edge, so it means originally it is gold. It's carbon fiber plated with gold. Look right here under the paint. I'm gonna peel off the paint, if you see, and it's actually gold underneath this. So to all you gold diggers out there, I got something for you guys to dig. So we have to sand that area, prep it, and reshoot it. So that way I can get this car back to normal. Kind of thirsty. Anybody thirsty too, guys? Or what's so cool? This car comes packaged with a refrigerator, providing you with cool, cold water. Cool, huh? I'll close the refrigerator, boy.
Nice.
And to keep it cool, keep it in that cool car of yours. That's the refrigerator pump. Like what you hear when you're at the apartment, you're sleeping and like, brrr, like what the fuck is that? It's your refrigerator, dude. Yeah. I'm thirsty, I'm gonna continue driving. Anyways. Alright, what's wrong with this? Okay. It should work now. Disconnect this one. Ah!
You good?
I got shocked.
Are you
Fucking
good for real?
I got shocked, dude.
Oh, my god. Hey. Hey, the butch. Pinche butch.
I feel so good. My stress level went low now. Oh my god. Yeah, so anyways. Hey, shut up! I'm trying to make an outro. Oh shit, don't say that, man. That scares me. Oh my god. Anyway, so that's it for today. Car is a little bit primed on some spots, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and push it inside the paint booth. And then we'll go ahead and paint it, and then everything will be perfect. So far so good. Today was amazing. I got shocked by electricity today. I was ching ching. That's why I was like Speedy Gonzalez going everywhere. It's like so much energy. It's better than Red Bull, by the way. You should try it at home. Just bring a fork, stick it in the plug, and you feel so good. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Do not listen to that. Don't do that. Oh my god. That's it for today, guys. I'm tired. It's hot. It's steamy. I'm very sweaty. I'm about to get 6 packs pretty soon without working out, just being at the shop, you know, steaming, exhausting my energy out. But anyways, guys, until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget, subscribe, Imperial TV. Ciao. Ciao. You can tell I'm tired, right? I'm just, I look like shit. It's okay. Oh, we're gonna go have me some dinner. Ciao, guys. Until next time.